the beautiful good morning to everyone. I am Yokshita Infrahir. I am from my video. I am studying 7th standard in Basic English testing. Hello class. This is the structure of human digestive system. In this human digestive system, we can observe there is a long tube with extends from mouth to anus. This is known as urinary canal. The urinary canal that takes various parts. There are mouth. Mouth is the first part of the digestive system. The digestion starts with the mouth. And next part is buccal caries. It is an empty space of the mouth. The part is found in a salivary glands. And next part is pharynx. It is an flat-like muscular organ which allows food and air into the respective passengers. And next part is esophagus. Do you know, friends, what is the another name of the esophagus? The another name of the esophagus is food file. And next part is stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped and band-like structure. It contains gastric or digestive gas. The digestive juices such as HCl. This is the liver. Liver secretes bile juice. A bile juice is stored in a cell called gallbladder. And next part is small intestine. Digestion ends with the small intestine. Absorption takes place here. And next part is large intestine. One area of portion takes place here. And next part is ventrix. It is an act of storage like your fecal matter. And next part is anus. Do you know, friends, what is the last part of the digestive system? The anus is the last part of the digestive system. The unwanted and undigested food expelled into the anus. This process is known as digestion or excretion. Thank you.